Hi, my name is Esse. Welcome to Esse Mobility. What inspired us to create Esse Mobility is after the pronouncement of the elimination of fuel subsidy and also the currency arbitrage by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We knew that at that time, two things are going to happen. One, Nigerians are going to feel the bite of the high cost of commuting from point A to point B. And the second part is the cost of goods and services are going to also increase. So these two challenges were the major reason why we decided to look for solutions that are native to us, that we can harness to be able to solve the problem. The challenges that we faced during the development stage of Esse Mobility, there are three key challenges. One is to have the requisite knowledge of the team to be able to build this internally and locally. Two is to be able to source and oversee technical partner that will believe that our design drawings make sense and it can also be possible to be able to develop, because no one believes that solar can be used to drive a car. And the third part is the issue of finance. So these three things were the challenges that we faced, but we were able to overcome these challenges based on the experiences of where we are coming from the businesses that we founded, and also the partners that believe in our vision.